So, Sonia, I thought that was a really good job. In fact, it was one of the more emotional performances I've seen. Really accommodate the words even more, because if you equate that with your ability to sing, it's very powerful stuff. Nice job.
Yeah, I was making some notes, and then you started singing, and I was like, what's that sound? Your voice is so good, Sonica. It just is.
I agree. Your voice is so beautiful. And seriously, choose songs that really make you feel something instead of just stuff that suits your voice. Stuff that makes your heart sing.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. One more time for Sonica. She makes her way down the stairs. 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 Hello, YouTube. Subscribe on American Idol's YouTube channel. Just click right here, and you'll see interviews, auditions, performances, backstage footage, cute kittens, that as well. So just click and enjoy.